Hello, my name is Leena Dutta. I have completed my summer internship program from AGS Transact Technologies, Mumbai. The project was on employee lifecycle management, which helped me to know in and out about the entire HR domain. The key learnings of my project were how talent acquisition process works within the organization, how HR operations is backed up with all the data which helps in making employee decisions, and how learning and development uplifts and develops the organization. The unique industry-oriented training which is given in PIBM has helped me to face the corporate world better. For example, the corporate sessions which is held every weekend, where corporate heads from different organizations come to our campus, interacts with us and shares their experiences, the industrial visits and the live projects. I am sure the domain skills and knowledge which I have received from PIBM would help me to pursue my career more successfully and confidently. Thank you.